Right, well, we're all recovered after yesterday. Oh, check them bad boys out there. No, he's up to. I've not got anything, sorry.
Oh, look, they're friendly.
Yeah, they are friendly.
Hello.
I'm getting it for you.
Where's it going up in?
Oh.
Oh.
Hello.
They're really friendly. How are you doing?
You start carrying a bag of bread with you, mate.
That encouraged me.
Right, so we just hit a session this morning. Well, we kind of did. Amy smashed in 4 miles, 4 recovery miles, which is good. After 20 yesterday, and obviously winning the half. I did a chilled out 10 miles on the track, feeling good, starting to feel more normal. Need to be some energy coming back, I hope so. And now we're off for a smoothie at Carrot Express. I'll have a little look around this bit as well, see what there is. So this is where we are for our smoothies. Is it nice?
It's very
Good?
Yeah.
Carrot Express.
You like that?
I'm going for some cryotherapy.
Submerge your entire body in sub-zero temperatures.
That's not for me. Anyway, listen, this is a real, this is plantation. It's a really, really nice area. We found a couple of nice wee
You want to
cafes.
sit in some recovery boots together?
Oh yeah, we could go and do that. We're going to come back here. This area is really nice shakes there. Lots to do, very nice. We are chilled out afternoon today. There's Ames. That's what our pool looks like, so heading in there shortly for a 30-minute dip.
Show us how the trash chute works.
No, easy, have it.
Where does it go? Nobody knows.
Well, here we are, we're back in the gym. Just done a 10-mile morning jog, now it's gym time and swim time. Right, we're off this afternoon to a nature reserve to see some animals. Sure. Right, well, we're off now to this nature reserve. I'm going to spot Amy around this corner here any second now. Gym's out the way, swimming's out the way, 10-mile morning run's out the way. So next thing is a nice relaxing walk. Where is she? There she goes!
Nearly beat you.
Yeah, the most beautiful creature. Right, so this is where we are. We're at the Secret Woods Nature Centre. And I'm going to spot and see what this is. Some of the things we might see. Raccoons. We might see another snake. Some nice needles. Welcome to the Secret Woods. Enter here. Go and have a nose.
Don't feed the alligators.
And we'll switch you on this when we see something wildlifey. Oh, this is really nice. Free as well. Totally free. Loads of life. There's a massive dragonfly there. Oh, he just flew away. He's up there anyway. We're on the pollinator path just now. Really pretty.
I think that's what you were hearing at the Everglades that day.
Bullfrog. He's a lousy bugger then.
Wild coffee plant. Psychotria nervosa. That's a really cool name for a plant. What have we seen so far, John? We've seen sweet fuck all.
No, we saw a dragonfly.
Saw a dragonfly. I haven't even seen a bird.
And we've learned about crabs. So there are massive crabs that live in the forest here.
Land crabs.
Land crabs.
Again, not seen them either.
But they're all on the ground during the day.
Not seen a raccoon. Not seen a turtle. Not seen a manatee. I've not seen a snake. Not seen an alligator. But technically it's winter, so they might be hibernating or something. Not even heard a woodpecker. Abandoned boat. Are you going to go down and see if there's anything in it?
Oh wow, treasures are hiding in this. Abandoned boat, totally reclaimed by nature. Oh. Not sure there's anything any interest in it. Cool nevertheless, wonder what it was used for. Possibly a drug smuggling boat. Got the engine on the back as well. Look. Yeah, definitely a drug smuggling boat.
Any good?
Yeah, very good.
How many drugs did you find?
I'll tell you later.
Are we coming back later after dark?
After dark. Come
Two
back and
2
clear it.
kilos of Colombia's finest.
Yep, in there. Check that out.
How far and how long have we been walking so far?
So we're at 13 miles. Oh no, sorry. 1.3k.
How long we've been out?
48 minutes.
Okay, so a nice little plod around.
Yeah.
How many animals have we seen?
Squirrel.
Yep.
A yellow-crowned night herring.
We don't lie to our viewers.
Well, we've just stopped for a coffee. Amy's on the espressos and I'm on the oat lattes, and we're in Tarpon City. I think that's what it's called, is it?
Yeah.
So Tarpon River City, and we're going to maybe have a nose around and see what we can find. Seems kind of lively and trendy. Hello friend! How are you, Amy?
Plantation Park.
At Plantation Park. And we're off to the track for a session.
Wow. See how we feel after a couple of months. But
Anyway.
hopefully we're rolling.
Nice and sunny. A little bit down here. And we'll go off to a cool place this afternoon. We're off to a great big swap shop. The big swap shop. Swamp sale. Swap shop. We'll see if it's good. Right, well, I hope you liked the picture or little video of the baby owls there that Amy spotted down at the park. They were mega cute. Right, where are we, Amy?
We're at the swap shop.
We're at some massive swap shop. I think it's literally got everything. So we're going to have a wander around and kind of see what we see here. That is fucking cool as fuck. Look at that. Whoa. Amy just went into the dude's bathroom. It's just mental. This place is absolutely ginormous. We're only on the edge of it here. I've not started my watch, but you know what? I think I might, just to have a rough idea of how far we're actually walking around this thing. It is absolutely huge. This is obviously an outside bit. All these hangars, this is all full of, whole freaking lot. Food. John, food. Machete stall. I'll go back and I'll film it discreetly, but the boy was going to sell me the machete, but I don't think I'm going to get it on the plane. I want to try. Or I could just leave it at Julie's house.
You could just put it in the bottom of your bag and then so you can pack your bag again.
Yeah, that's what I'll do. Deaf Brian being his element there with them heads, look. They'd all be in his bedroom. Kind of on. I can't believe how big it is, him. And it just keeps on going. Building after building after building. It is mental.
Nice Diamante pepper spray.
Yeah, that's nice. Or a taser gun.
Show us your swing.
That's probably the shit. Actually, but.
Wow. Holy moly.
It's a different world, isn't it?
Can't actually find where we parked.
So big. Beetles in there, look at that.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Beetles. Right, so we're now going to have a little wander around Lauderhill Mall. Grab a coffee and see what we see. There's a little birdie friend. Korea's #1 bakery.
Yep, right here in Florida.
Oh, it feels different than I thought.
Does it feel like a bread roll? Nice. Just having a little wander around I don't know, do they call this a strip mall?
It's odd, but it's really nice.
Yeah. We're going back.
Odd.
That's where we went for our snack. Had some vegetable patties. What did you have? Oh, mac and cheese. Homemade.
you like me, do you? Yeah.
You need to get some sunflowers.
But you're not allowed to feed them. It says on the thing. There's a sign beside the lift that says, if you feed the ducks, you will get a £100 fine and the duck will be shot.
Look at the size of him.
Yeah, he's big.
Turkey duck. Absolutely scorching today.
We did the right thing by not coming out too early.
What temperature do you reckon it is? Up near 30?
Up near 30 today, yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to get the boy doing the somersault.
Yeah. I think he got camera shy. He also forgot leg day.